Hi guys, today I want to say about how to search for the best keyword for your article. In this case, you need to find the low competition keyword with some volume of searches. I'm giving a sample keyword like YouTube free keywords. This tool will generate the related keywords, and here you need to pick the best keywords and just copy them into your notepad or somewhere else. So, here I am selecting a few keywords and we need to research them. After selecting the keywords, copy them like me. And go to the SEMscoop website. In this website, researches the keywords and gives a rating on every keyword. Click the import keywords and simply paste them. This tool will show the keyword difficulty. In this, we need to find the low competition, so it must be below 40 or 30. And also it shows the average domain rating, average domain age, and content length accordingly to SERP, which means Search Engine Results page. Here I am trying to get the low keyword difficulty. So keep like this and pick the best keyword with low competition. These tools are some limitations in the free version. So if you want the best keyword generator and keyword research tool, I suggest you use Buzzsumo. It gives a free trial for 30 days. This tool, it has so many features like content generator, keyword research, topic finder, like so many. Here, I am giving the sample user data, and also I'm using temporary mail. I suggest you use your personal mail. After filling in the data, select the I agree and also read the terms of service and click to start my free trial. It redirects to the verification page. Here you can log in with Facebook to verify, or you can use your phone number. I am using the phone number to verify. Here also I'm using the temporary phone number to verify. I suggest you use your own phone number. Click to verify and it redirects to the More Info page. On this page, you give your data, or you can just click the Next button. And click the Finish button. As you can see, there have so many services it provides. Here also you need to enter the keyword and click Search. It gives the best result, shows the analytics, social media engagements, graphical insights, and suggests the keywords. Here you can use these services with full access. You can also use a keyword generator, which shows the keyword's volume and cost per click. By using this tool, you find the best keywords. Bonus tip. Nowadays there are so many AI article writers. These are paid services, but on this website, it provides free and also so many services like SEO, YouTube SEO, article rewriter, outline generator, and so on. Now I am giving the keyword to generate the article. It was free, but some coin limitations you can use. It suggests unique content, and also you can rewrite the article. If you need the headline on your content, you can use the outline generator tool. It tool generates the outline with unique Copy those outline and you can paste it in AI article writer and generate the best article. If you have some plagiarism in your content, you can use the article rewriter tool for free. Just paste it and click the rewrite button. But I don't recommend you generate the article with AI, but use outline generator and rewrite tool. If this video is used for you, then you need to like this video and comment on it and share it. Keep like this and generate the articles fastly, and you need to focus on the SEO. Thanks for watching.